Storm Tracker weather starts now with Jason Laird.
Well, good morning, everybody. Hopefully your day is treating you well so far. 58 degrees already in Great Falls, looking at 60 in the capital, and already pushing a couple of 70s throughout the eastern plains bright and early here on this Monday. So with all this crazy temperature spike across the board, National Weather Service does have a heat advisory going into effect here, or as has been in effect, I should say, and that's going to take us through Tuesday at 9 p.m. That's when the temperatures are going to remain the hottest. Today, likely the hottest. Will kind of back off a little bit as the week progresses, but overall, it's going to be a very, very hot and dry week across the board. 98 degrees on tap for Great Falls today. Same story for the capital, flirting with the triple digits west of the divide and going to hit the triple digits along the High Line. Havre 101 today, 100 degrees in Glasgow, 103 in Jordan today. So really the big talking point, again, these little white lines are pressure levels. That shows us where that ridge of high pressure is building. It's going to continue to amplify as the day plays out. Couple weak little storms not out of the question throughout southwestern Montana. Those little splash and dash showers and thunderstorms are likely pretty much every day this week. Thursday will present the best chance of some stronger storms, most of which are going to remain over the mountains. So again, the lightning concern, fire danger rather high there. And you'll notice overnight into tomorrow morning, a couple showers, thunderstorms not out of the question over the mountains from Butte to Helena. Overall, though, tonight we're going to be cooling off, if you want to call that cool. 65 in Great Falls, 63 in the capital, staying in the mid 60s throughout the eastern plains. Tomorrow we'll still have that heat advisory in effect. We're also going to have a fire weather watch going into effect into north central Montana. The reason behind that, a little bit of an uptick in the wind in that region. Looking at the upper 90s again tomorrow, triple digits throughout the eastern plains, slightly cooler but still very hot. 95 in Great Falls, 94 in the capital. Lewistown at about 91 as well. Tomorrow we're going to continue to see that ridge of high pressure stay camped over the state. We'll see a little bit of an increase in the clouds tomorrow, hence why the temperatures are a little bit cooler throughout central Montana, and a couple little isolated storms primarily over the mountains. Again, the biggest concern here is a lot of dry lightning out of these storms expected, but really minimal impacts, maybe just a little splash and dash storm over the next couple of days. We'll see highs then on Wednesday, still hot, but a little bit cooler. 91 in Great Falls, 88 degrees in the capital. Still looking at the upper 90s throughout the eastern plains. Very hot and dry week on tap. Your extended forecast Wednesday, that ridge of high pressure still going to stay camped out over the state. It's going to flatten a little tiny bit. So Wednesday evening, maybe a little bit better chance of moisture. And then Thursday, little hiccup there in that ridge of high pressure could open up the door for a few splash and dash showers. A little bit better chance of thunderstorms there. But overall, this ridge of high pressure pretty much staying camped out as we head toward the weekend. So really a hot and dry week and staying pretty hot and dry even into the weekend. So Great Falls today, 98 degrees, mid 90s tomorrow. A little bit of an increase in clouds there. Best chance of showers, thunderstorms will be Thursday. Still going to be on the isolated side, though, and then staying hot as we head into the weekend. The capital today, 98 degrees, well into the 90s through Tuesday. Little hiccup in the temperatures Wednesday, Thursday, but staying hot through the weekend, Shannon.